Okay, thank you for waiting, class. Sorry about that. I needed to set up the second poster. And before we get any further, I said 5 times 2 is 25. That would be 10. So sorry, it's 5 times 5 is 25, and then 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. I just want to get that correction right there. So 5 times 2 is 10, but it's not 25, so it's 5 times 5. Sorry about that. Everybody okay with that? Yes? Okay. Sorry about that, class. Okay, we're going to continue then. So, for problem 2, so we're going to use 2013 to the subscript of 5, because, again, we're going to use base 5. So, once again, we already did these steps, so we're going to do 0 right here, a 1, 2, and a 3. So, what do we call this again, class? Yes, powers. Good job. Or, what? Exponents. Yes. So, once again, like we did over here, 5 to the 0 is 1. 5 times to the 1 power is itself again, 5. 5 times 2 is 25. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So we're going to write the digits now. So, once again, we get it, the third column, we get it from these numbers. So, we're going to put 2, 0, 1, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? 5 times 1 is 5. 25 times 0 is always, so anything times 0 is always going to be 0, no matter what number it is. It could be a million times 0, it's going to be 0, class. Okay? So just remember that little step too. So 125 times 2 is 250. And once again, like we did over here, we add up the last column together, so I'm going to do it right underneath, class. So 250 plus 0 plus 5 plus 3 equals what, class? I'll give you a moment to solve that real quick. Okay. It is what, class? Yes. 258. So we are going to put up top the equal 258. If you want to box it, you can. I'll just put a little check this time by it. We're going to go to example 3, class, okay? So, the number we're using is 1342 to the subscript of 5. So, 1342 to the subscript of 5. Okay? So, once again, we already know that we're picking up on these steps. So, yes, we write a 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, so 5 to the 0 power is 1. 5 times 1, we always say it, it's the same number. 5 times 5 is 25. And 125, 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Okay? So, we're using these values again right here. So, it's 1, 3, 4, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 25 times 3 is 75. And 125, once again, class, yes, it's always the same number times itself. So 125. We're going to go ahead and add these numbers again, like this side and the previous one. So we're going to add up these numbers together. So it's 125 plus 75 plus 20 plus 2, and we get 222. You can put it up here again, 222. So that's your total right there, and that's it right there. Are there any questions so far? No? Okay then. So what we learned today, class, is we learned how to change a base 5 into a base 10. Good job, class. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you. Everyone have a nice day.